This time it's Ducati's 2023 range, as seen at Motorcycle Live in Birmingham. Ducati's 2023 range, for me, seems to have a bit of an off-road feel to it. For a start, there's the Desert X. Essentially think Africa Twin, but more expensive, and fitted with a tester-stretcher engine. It really reminds me of the old Kajiva Elephant, for those of us of a certain age, and its styling really harks back to the golden age of desert racers back in the 1980s. Continuing that desert racer theme, the bonkers hypermotard remains in the range with minor tweaks. The Scrambler of course remains in the range and is a popular choice for experienced and novice riders alike. It's also nice and low, so Deb very much likes this machine. It's nice, compact and lively, so it's a great deal of fun both on and off-road. Naturally, Ducati had one of their V4 race bikes on show. And equally naturally, the V4 Naked was there too. This is an incredibly strange looking machine and looks truly sci-fi. Because of the proximity to the EICMA show, Ducati is probably the only large Italian company that bothered to turn up. They had a number of their truly beautiful Panigale machines on show, both in V4 and V-twin varieties, although one wonders just how long the V-twin is going to continue in the range. And I think the eventual demise of the Panigale V-twin will be a sad day. The V4 is awesome and it's incredibly powerful, but there's nothing quite like the booming sound of those V-twins on a racetrack. Absolutely awe-inspiring. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that short video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, thank you very much for watching.